9 minus 5 equals 4. And here we have again 9 minus 5, which equals 4. And here we have a multiplication. So 4 times 4, which equals 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, in this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. According to the PEMDAS, we need to calculate parentheses before multiplication and subtraction. So 9 minus 4 gives us 4. Okay. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. So we have 9 minus 5, then times 4. In PEMDAS, multiplications come before subtractions. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 4 gives us 20. So we have 9 minus 20, which equals negative 11. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 11. The correct answer is negative 11.